Fast to help annoying. So it's 8 p.m. 24 minutes past, and I came here because I'm gonna do something very interesting that is kind of absurd, but maybe interesting. So what I did is if you see the inside, it'll be really easy to see. Okay, see, I put the battery on the far back, so I basically made myself, yeah, it looks really ugly, but yeah, but the more weight, you know, means yeah, good. So yeah, I don't care. Yeah, so fucking more weight on the rear. Yeah, so that's what I did. Yeah, so like, you know, I thought like I did everything I could with my this thing. Yeah, still I need to improve a bit of more skills, but other than that, so maybe I'm gonna take, like, you know, I will drive at this stage, at this state, you know, with a body. Okay. Okay. Actually, it looks kind of ugly, yeah. Yeah, I cannot tell the difference. Maybe I need to, yeah, mount the body and make the course and try to do the same thing. Then probably afterwards I will see. Can I still like? Nah. Oh? Ara? Check the battery position right now. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, maybe I can do it. Maybe I can directly compare these two configuration difference. Well, actually I could do it. So I still, yeah, there's the extra part on this stuff. So yeah, this is not the direct comparison. Okay, so try to get like 10 laps without, you know, hopefully no spins. Okay, so let's see. So the midship, so the previous layout. 3, 2, 1, go. So I will go a bit, yeah, conservative. Yeah. So good thing that, you know, I didn't have to yeah, break down or use the previous DIY parts, so that I can, yeah, switch it back like this. So easy. So second lap. Oh, here. I was almost, you know, forgetting. I almost forgot. Yeah, sorry about the jerky movement, because I try not to spin the car, so, you know, I'm conservative right now. Conservative? Conservative? I forgot the pronunciation. Yeah, I'm going safe, yeah. So third lap. Ugh. Yeah, kinda, yeah. Always try to, you know, spin itself out. Yeah, that was close. Fourth lap, okay. So 6 to go. Fourth means no, 7 to go. Yeah, I'm driving safe. That's why I'm correcting a lot. Six to go. Okay, 5 to go. Yeah, but the rear battery doesn't mean good, I guess. Yeah, not necessarily mean good, because like the latest front wheel touring car chassis doesn't have a motor on the far front, rather on the middle, and using the belt to drive the front shaft. And even some guy adds some extra weight on the front, maybe like 100 grams. It seemed kinda to me ridiculous, increase the total vehicle weight. Oh shit, 5 to go. But somehow it works, yeah, weird. Yeah, this is quite fast, yeah. Okay, 4 to go. Ah. Uh, 3 to go. Maybe the spin or some trouble, extra time will lead to the time loss, more time. So maybe more time means bad performance. So this could be still a performance indicator. Ah, don't. Okay, 2 to go. Whoa. One to go, last. Final lap. Yeah, still fun. Yeah, this is still fun. Like I can be okay with it. Maybe I should do some, acceleration performance test. Human traction control. Okay, 10 laps. Green. Okay. Okay, so that was the midship layout, midship battery position. So I will do another 10 laps with the other position. Yeah, that was okay. So it was okay. So now the battery is rear overhang. So this is the rear RR like a Porsche. So I'm gonna do the conservative safe 10 laps. 3, 2, 1, go. The very first corner is the hardest, yeah, to get the rhythm. Yeah, it's so faster to accelerate. Wow, 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 wow. Woo! Really? Yeah, must be faster. At least 1 second. And the stability sake, Not so sure. Theoretically, it should be easier, but whoa. Whoa. I can't believe this is a two-wheel drive. Yeah, like, you know, I can feel the traction. Yeah, not sure about the time, but yeah, it feels like it. Okay, one mistake, so yeah, I didn't do that. Maybe I was a bit too aggressive, like, you know, put too much trust on the rear tire, maybe. Yeah, here is wow. Oh no, 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 no. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, I almost never use that sort of, you know, full throttle right there. Wow, really? I can see the definite change on the speed. Maybe I can, like, you know, put the two videos, but I kind of spun out several times, so okay, that didn't last. Okay. So more traction means, yeah, actually getting is harder a little bit because the speed increase, so yeah, naturally a little bit harder. Wow, incredible. Wait, how much lap did I make so far? Have I made so far, I mean? Okay, a bit too aggressive. Maybe I can do it one more, but maybe like without 10 laps still I can see the difference. Okay, I will do it maybe 4 laps more. I should driven at least 6. Okay, 4 to go. Oh shit. Three to go? I forgot. Maybe 2 to go. Okay, 2. Okay. I trusted you, and you answered me. Answer or You live up to my expectation, yeah. Ooh, fast. Oh, okay. Want to go? Okay. So easy. So second lap. Oh, here. I was almost, forgetting. I almost forgot. Yeah, sorry about the jerky movement because I try not to spin the car, so I'm conservative right now. Conservative? Conservative? I forgot the pronunciation.